This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by aligning the essentials. Put both devices on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired network to cut latency. You should also close heavy background apps and disable VPNs. These hog CPU and bandwidth. Once done, enable any performance or developer mode on your phone, tablet, or laptop to reduce throttling. These steps reduce encoding delay and packet queuing. Make sure to pick the device that will encode video, usually the source, so it runs at higher priority for smoother mirroring. Now focus on encoding and transport. Enable hardware acceleration and pick H. 264 or H. 265 so the GPU handles compression faster than the CPU. Next, lower bitrate to a practical value, 3 to 5 Mbps for 1080p, 1 to 2 Mbps for 720p to avoid packet loss on congested networks. Also set resolution and frame rate to what the receiver supports. Don't stream 60 FPS if the display only finish by choosing the best transport. When latency matters, use wired Ethernet or a USB direct connection for near-instant response. Make sure all firmware and drivers are updated on the source, receiver, and router to fix known bugs. Restarting devices and the router often clears transient issues. Do this after changes. If you still see lag, check for Wi-Fi interference from other networks or devices and try changing channels or moving closer. This single troubleshooting step often resolves persistent mirroring stutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.